So I'm just gonna say the last 4 months are really easy. Hi everyone, bonjour à tous, I'm Keshi and this is Let Us Learn French. If you're excited to learn the months of the year as well as the seasons in French, then give this video a big thumbs up and watch until the end because we will also do a few exercises, or let's call it a game, that will enable you to memorize the months and the seasons a lot easier. Let's go. I'm going to say all the months slowly at first, and then I will repeat them all at a normal pace. For the best learning experience, repeat after me as I'm saying each month. You can pause the video or go back at any point to make sure that you're still with me. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. So this might have been a little bit weird for you because I was saying it very slowly. But this was only to make sure that you really get the pronunciation down before we can say it at a normal pace or faster pace. So now that you know how to pronounce it correctly, let's say it at a normal pace. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. How was that? Which one was easier for you to grasp the pronunciation actually, the slow version or the fast version? Let me know in the comments below. Before we talk about the seasons, let's see if you have grasped the months of the year in French. Okay, so what is August in French? Août. And what is July in French? Juillet. That's great. Now, what is Janvier? January. Great. One last. What is Décembre? December. That was an easy one, right? Now, I've put the list of months right here, but one of them is not correct in the list. Can you spot which one is wrong? I'll give you 5 seconds. Were you able to spot it? What is it? Yes, it's September. We don't say September in French, we say septembre. Great. Now, this time, which one is wrong? 5 more seconds. Were you able to spot it? Yes, June. What do we say in French? Juin. That's perfect. Now that you know the months in French, les mois de l'année, let's talk about les saisons, the seasons in French. But quick before we go there, just smash the like button if you like it so far. Les saisons, the seasons. Hiver, winter. Hiver, hiver. Printemps, spring. Printemps, printemps. Été, summer. Été, été. Automne, fall. Automne, automne. So in the northern hemisphere, winter, l'hiver, would usually be from December to February. De décembre à février. Le printemps, spring, would usually last from March to May. De mars à mai. L'été, summer, would usually last from June to August. De juin à août. And finally, l'automne, fall would usually be from September to November, de septembre à novembre. Obviously, in the southern hemisphere, it's going to be the opposite. Now that you know the seasons, let's play a little game. What is juillet and in what season is it in the northern hemisphere? Yes, so it's July and it's summer in July. In what month and season do we celebrate Halloween? October, and October is in l'automne, fall. Great. Finally, in what season do we celebrate Christmas, la Noël? Décembre, of course, and l'hiver, winter. Again, that's for the northern hemisphere. If you're in the southern hemisphere, so below the equator, then you can just go to the beach for Christmas. That's pretty cool too, if you have a beach in your country. Do you have a beach in your country? Let me know actually. For our last game, I want you to write down in the comments below when your birthday is, so what month and what season, and also what country you live in. That's it for the video. If you liked it and found it useful, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you're the first to know when we upload the next video. Share it with your friends and family who also want to learn French. And as a thank you to you for sharing this video, I'm gonna share those 2 other videos with you. So if those sound interesting, then give it a watch. They're pretty interesting. I'm just saying. Also follow me on Instagram at Let Us Learn French Official, where I give you a new French word of the day every single day so you can improve your French vocabulary even more. Thank you so much for staying until the end. I'll see you next Sunday. Take care.